Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmore Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to view how much space is left in your Gmail and across your Google account in total. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ating Gmail account and then click mo lang itong Gmail. So dito sa ating Gmail account, dito lang sa top right corner, and then select mo lang dito yung settings. And then next, makikita mo dito yung quick settings and then i-click mo lang itong see all settings. And the next step ay scroll down lang tayo. And then dito sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung storage natin. Okay, so 76% na yung storage natin. And then next, i-click mo lang ito. And then automatic na ma-direct tayo dito sa Google storage. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung total storage natin na 15 GB. And then next ay nandito naman kung ilan na yung na-consume natin. Okay, so meron na tayong 11.46 GB out of 15 GB use. Alright, and storage details, nandito naman yung Google Drive, Gmail, Google Photos. And then makita mo din dito yung Google account storage natin na details dito. Alright, so dito naman sa baba ay pwede kang mag-purchase or bumili ng storage dito. So mayroon tayong option dito na monthly and then yung annual. So sunod ka lang dito kung ano yung option mo. And then na dito naman yung GB storage natin. So mayroon ditong 15 GB, 100 GB, 200 GB, 2 terabyte, ganyan. Okay, so sinig ka lang dito kung ano yung gusto mo. Right, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-check yung Gmail and Google storage space left. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.